Hey guys, this is my buddy Robert. He's down for the weekend. We're gonna go to the salvage yard and we're gonna pull an 8.8 for his TJ that we're working on flipping. It's LS swapped, but it has that cursed Dana 35 in it.
Disgusting 35.
Yeah, so we're gonna remove that weak link and throw in an 8.8. As long as we can get to the salvage yard, find one with the right gear ratio, and hopefully we'll have some good luck, right, Robert?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Well guys, we're at the salvage yard, and one of the first Explorers we looked at has the 8.8 373, which is what we need. So we're gonna get to pulling it off. We caught ourselves an 8.8, y'all. Say hi, Robert.
Teabag.
Teabag about 8.8. Yep. We're back at the shop, and now we're gonna strip this 8.8 down. Alright guys, so we got everything stripped down. We polished the tubes with a flap disc, and at this point we're establishing our pinion angle, which we want to be at about 11 degrees. And then we got this digital angle gauge, and that's going to give us our degrees. Harbor Freight Special. And got this vent tube. We're gonna weld that up and make a new vent tube so it doesn't interfere with our truss. So that's the plan. We're sticking to it. Looks like that. You never knew it was there. First part of the truss kit goes on. See how she looks. And in classic Barnes 4-wheel drive style, she fits like a glove.
So I'm wondering, should we rotate it or?
Now we want it to be,
level, right?
Yep, that way we set our pinion in. To torch the center portion of the differential. We're going to torch it and the tubes because they cool at different temperatures, so this way we can sort of monitor, make sure they're cooling at the same temperature and we don't get a crack in our welds. We welded up our axle tubes, don't look too closely, and we drilled and tapped our new vent. And moving on to getting our truss on there and welding it in. We're gonna primer inside that truss before we weld it in so we don't just have raw steel ready to rust. So what we thought of is stick some tape down along where you're gonna be welding. When you pull the truss off, press that tape down and then paint her up. And that way you don't have to re-prep the welding surface that you just prepped. We cut some of the boring stuff out for you. We got truss tacked on and oil buckets just set in there right now. We're about to burn them in. And we got our track bar bracket just set on there right now. About to tack that in. So, see you in a bit. All right guys, all the bracketry is installed. We got the track bar bracket, the control arms, lower control arms, and then the sway bar. And now it's time to finish weld. So we'll get it finished welded, and then we will paint it and show you guys the finished product. We've got all the bracketry finished welded on. We did it with flex core, so we have mad spatter everywhere, but we got as much as we cared to get off, and we got it all primed. Now we wait a little bit, wait for it to dry, and we'll spray the last coat of paint on. Alright guys, finished product. Thanks for tuning in. This was our first truss. So take any tips and tricks you saw from us with a grain of salt. I don't know if I would trust us. Thanks for tuning in guys. Catch you next time.